So on the standard Cobalt tower, you do have the Bimini up top, and to deploy it takes a couple steps. We first are gonna undo our little Bimini boot right here, which is just a zipper encased little fabric boot. Pull that off, set it off to the side. Then you want to kind of unravel the fabric a little bit. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna release my small little arms first. This forward frame needs to move up one position. So these little feet right here need to move up one position. So undoing those. And then we're gonna go ahead and on the last little foot, we're gonna move this one up on this side. Just make sure the bar doesn't drop completely down. Go to the other side, grab this little foot, move it up. And then I'm gonna just connect one of the little feet up top here. This is gonna allow me to just have a little bit of wiggle room to flip this rear bar over and make it over the anchor light and the tow point. Having a little bit of leeway is just gonna allow it to fit over, just like so. So before we attach the rear drop-down bars, let's make sure our front side is connected. So we're just gonna make sure these little feet and arms are all secure. Go ahead and secure your arms into place on the back side. The flat end inserts into your little spring-loaded pin right here. Just be careful you don't drop the arms into the water. Pull down on the frame, secure that into place, and then I'll go around and secure all the little Velcro pieces to make sure this is nice and secure around the tower. Now when you're ready to go ahead and put this away, it's the opposite procedure. So we're actually gonna release these guys right here, release the little arms right here. You're gonna fold this up and over, and then you're gonna drop this main hoop back down, roll the canvas up, and then you're gonna zip it into place. If you do encounter a situation where you need to lower the tower down, you have these locks on both sides. So undo both locks. There is a direction in which you need to rotate the handle to actually unlock it. And then inside the tower, it does have these gas assist shocks, so it's not immediately gonna fall down, but you do need to take caution. If you're on the water, it's a little bit choppy, this could come down, so just make sure you're being very careful when these are unlocked. And then to lower the tower, it's simply just pulling it straight down. That will go ahead and lower it down. Now on the R series boats, which are a little bit larger of a tower, you do have a lock mechanism within the tower that you can actually lock it in the down position to make sure that it doesn't bounce up if you are needing some garage clearance or boathouse clearance or something like that. And then to bring it back up, just raise it up, and then you come over here and just rotate each side into the lock position, and that way you're ready to head back out into the water and have a great time.